Introducing the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.